And here is a very quick tip for your tomatoes. If you're seeing flowers, it's time to start feeding. So you want a high potash feed, just a normal tomato feed, and dilute this down. Feed it once a week and these will be fine. If you feed too much, you will get too much leaf growth. So bear that in mind. And more importantly, if you have young tomato plants which haven't gone out yet but are starting to flower, like this one at the top, then all you do is just remove that flower, take it off, and what will happen, the plant will put more energy into the stem and the roots rather trying to set fruit. So all of mine, they're going out next week, but as you can see they're flowering. I'm just going to pick those flowers off because these are cordon tomatoes, so they'll then shoot up the vines when they're in, and then I can start setting fruit. But for now I'm more interested in the root system.